Hi again. In today's video, I'm going to present you our new attendance planner with penalty point system integrated. I intend to keep it short because I just want to give you a rough idea about how this is built, his entire functionality, how it is looking, and everything that you can do with it in just simple words. For the videos, I'm going to step into more details about every tab, what you can find, and what you can do with every tab in more and more details. But for now, in the short video, I'm going to present you every tab shortly, and we will step into the next videos to show you what you can do in every section of this attendance planner. So first we have an attendance management tab. In this section you have the option to handle up to 6 years and 12 months, all months for every year. So everything is included in one single tab. You just have to select the year, select the month, and you see here an information. We are now handling the attendance and penalty point system for February 2025. Okay, you'll have a short presentation for every penalty point reasons with days and penalty points accumulated for all the employees in the February 2025. That is basically what you can do here. It's going to present you every detail, and you just have to schedule your employees and set penalty points where the case is for every month, just from one tab. You just select the month, the year, and schedule your employees at work or assign penalty points. Further, in the employee per year tab, shortly you have option here to just select the year, select the employee, and everything from this tab. It will be presented dynamically to you based on the option on the settings you have done in your settings tab. So you have the employees details, you have everything you need related to the penalty point, like in the attendance management, just that this is presented for the selected, only for the selected employee, and for the year you have selected here. So everything, it will be dynamically updated based on any data you'd like to see and for any employee you'd like to see. Further down you have all the data related to the working days, and you have working days with no penalty applied and working days with the penalty applied. Okay, and a graph representing everything, but we will step into more details further when we will get to present this tab with more and great details. Further, you have all the data represented into a dynamic, fully completed dynamic calendar, which will show you for every month, for every day, if that employee, specific employee selected by you on the top section, it was present without penalty points on every day. This is the present at work with tardy, present at work, no call, no show, early out, unapproved, and so on. This is a dynamic calendar, and I will show you how this is working and how you can set up this from the settings tab. On the right side we have the notification system. You can switch this on or off from the settings bar. Also right now the notification system is on, and you will see for every employee the rolling interval, how many penalty points this employee has used in the rolling interval, and how many penalty points it has remaining for this specific employee. Further, the next tab, it is ready to print attendance and penalty point balance. Basically, for the employee you have selected here, you have the option here to see the balance for this employee, presenting absolutely everything you need to know, like the total work days without penalty and days with penalty, total days off with penalties, you have a presentation for the penalty points based on any specific penalty point reason for every month within your rolling interval, and also you have the used point and unused points. This is ready to print. You just have to select the employee, and you will have every data presented automatically in here, and you'll just have to print and adapt the printer settings to print this file. In the settings tab, this is the tab where we'll spend a lot more time when we will get to present this in details. But basically, as a short presentation, we have the employees table here with all the details: ID, employee section, department, employment date, tenure, allocated point, used point, unused points, active employee, and firing date. These last two columns you will use in case some employee will get fired, because this system it will help you to keep track of every attendance and penalty points up to 6 years. So you'll not need to duplicate this tracker for the next 6 years. So in the following next 6 years, if one employee will get fired, you just click here that this employee is not active anymore, and you will select the firing date. So let's presume February 5, 2025, 3 for example, and you'll see that William Brown is not active anymore. This is getting highlighted, and also in the attendance William Brown you have that you have a visual representation of the fact that William Brown is not an active employee anymore. And if we go into employee per year and we select William Brown, we see that we get this notification that William Brown is not active anymore, as the status is inactive. But we have spent too more time, and I said it will be a short presentation. Further, we have the employee position list. Basically, you can add here and change the entire section to build your employee position list, and this will populate this drop down list. From here, the list of departments from your company, you can customize everything here, and it will populate your list. From here, the rolling settings, rollover settings for the entire system. You have the penalty point system type. You can use accumulate or subtract. Rollover type you can use and you can switch on and off any of this system at any time, and you have 3 options. This is a great feature, and I'm sure that you will all like and use any of these based on your policy company. And we have current year, which is equivalent to the calendaristic year. You have fiscal year, and you have by number of days. So basically your penalty points will roll over based on any rollover type you will select here. By number of days, you can set up maximum 356 days. By fiscal year, you can customize it completely, just selecting the start month here, and the system will build everything automatically here. And for the current year also, this is fully customizable, and you can handle the current year from here, 2024 up to 2029. But I will explain more with great details when we will get to this section. And this is the rollover period built automatically based on your rollover type settings. Further, you have the option to set your employee present at work based on three different shift types. And have the immediate data here, like present, evening shift, and night shift. You have the option to update your abbreviation for every type of shift, and this will be available in your attendance management tab whenever you want to schedule your employee to work. You have present, early shift, and night shift. Further, you have the notification option for on and off. Basically, if we set up this to no, when we go into the employee per year, we see this notification are turned off, and you will not be disturbed with any additional data. But if we turn the notifications on, we will see that now we get all the necessary information for the selected employee from here. Okay, further, the next session is the penalty point reasons. You have the option to customize up to 12 penalty point reasons with the name of penalty point, with the abbreviation, with the points allocated to every penalty point reason, and also you have the ability to set up any of these penalty reasons to be a full day off or not. Right now the system is using no call no show. Is set up this to be a full day off, meaning the employee is not present at work at all. You can set up more of this. The system will accept all and work according to your entire settings, or you can set up none. That's up to you. How would you like to manage your penalty point reasons? Further, days with employee schedule. This is a notification that will show you how many employees are scheduled to work on every day, and in case there is none, let me delete this. You will see this notification, red notification, indicating you that on Friday 23 January there is no employee present at work. Maybe you would like to see this when you schedule your employees to not miss any day and wake up that there is no one present at the office for that day. This is what this section is doing. So highlight these days in calendar, yes, and further you have the option to activate this only for Sundays, only for Saturdays, or only for holidays or non-working days. Okay, if you want to do not activate this for any of these days, non-working days, Saturdays, Sundays, then you have the option to cancel this from here. Further, you have the option to highlight the weekends in the calendar. You have the option to individually highlight the Saturdays, Sundays, or holiday or non-working days. In the next section, you can set up your weekend days, for example, Friday and Saturday, and you will see that everything in the section above with highlight weekends, and also in the notification for the employees with no office, with no employees at work, the weekend is automatically updated based on your selection. On the next section, you have the option to, you have the option to set up all your holidays or non-working days. Basically, every holiday or non-working days you set up here, it will be recognized by the tracker, and it will update everything based on your settings from the settings tab. That will be all as the short presentation. This is how everything is working. In the next video, I'm going to step into every section and present you in more details everything that you can do here, and everything you can achieve with this attendance planner and penalty point system. Thank you for watching, and sorry for keep it a bit longer than I intended to.